Hi everybody, welcome to our channel Good Life and Learning. Today we'll be learning advanced filter option within the text. If you have already worked with filters, then you will know that filters are very useful function to extract the data of a particular type. Yes, filters help us a lot to extract a particular type of data. But now in this video, we are looking for the advanced filter option within the text. Let's see what we are talking about. Suppose I am having the text file like this. Let's bring this file into the Excel first. Just go to Excel, another sheet, and go to data tab. First import the data from the text file. From the left side, go to the third option, that is from text, and choose your file where it is stored. This time it's stored in E drive, so I'm going to import this file. Go to next. In my file, comma is separator, so I want separate column for all the commas that appears in my file. So go to next and finish this. I want my data in this cell, so just press OK. So if you want to put filter, you have to do nothing, just go to data tab and place your cursor anywhere in the cell in your data and press the filter option. So if you see, the drop down symbol is appeared to every column. Like so, you can filter your data the way you want. For example, this is coordinates X and Y, and this is my ID, and this is the name of the tourist post, and I'm having other tag, like there's a lot of information in this column where the data is in the form of text, a string, double quotes, everything. So we are going to work on this column, but let's see first how filter works. If you want to extract a number value, for example, I want to filter a particular type of ID, I want this ID, then filter will work for you. It will show only that record wherever that ID matches. So see how filter works. But what if I'm going to work with text option and my data is like this? On this column I want to apply filter and I want to show the records with viewpoint. Okay, so how I can do that? This is viewpoint and this is viewpoint with some other text information, and I want all those records where viewpoint occurs. So this is pretty tough if I do it manually. And how can I do that? Is there any way to do that? Yes, of course we can do that with the filter option. This is the advanced filter option I'm going to share with you right now. You have to go to drop down arrow in this and just first of all let's select what you want to search. Control C and go to text filter options. You will see a lot of options are available here. First we will try equals. Okay, a dialog window will appear where it will ask which rows you want to show. So I want to display only those records which is equal to this tag. So just copy it. It will show only that records only. So previously you have seen that there are other rows too wherever viewpoint and the other text was already there. So it has not shown that record. So see how my records are filtered right now in the way I want. Let's see does not equal to. It means it will show only those records which does not contain tourism and viewpoint, the same string as it appears in this tag. Okay, so this is the information based on the text filter and exactly what we want the data is displayed in that pattern. So suppose we want to search that AK term. If you see where my plus cursor is right now, that AK term, if I want to search only those records and I want to filter only that type of data, how I can do that? let's try this text filters. Suppose if you want to clear all the filters that you have already applied, so you can do it by clearing this option. By clicking this option, you can clear all the filters that you have earlier applied. Okay, so now data is in previous format. So let's work with the option AK equals so we don't have any information that only start with equal. Now see the next option, contains. So you have seen in my data there is motel and the viewpoint. So I want all those records where viewpoint contains option work beautifully wherever you want one or two records, one or two type of particular records. I want or option because I want viewpoint data and also contains option with motel. Suppose I want data with viewpoint and motel, so this type of filter is going to work here. See, I have got all those data which is having viewpoint and motel. So see, this is how filter worked. Now let's see one more option. Where does not contain motel. This time we want that our data does not contain motel. Show only those records. So see, this filter option which I have applied right now has shown only those data which does not contain motel. So this type of text filter you can use in your data to extract particular type of records. So this was all for today's video. I hope it will help you in your data entry work. Thank you for watching our video.